Good day, Sir Alama. I am Stephanie Jane B. Mejeo, and today I will be presenting one state institution and non-one state institution in the Philippines. For this presentation, I choose the Department of Education and the Philippine Red Cross. The Department of Education, or DepEd, is a government agency that manages and regulates the Philippine education system. It ensures that every Filipino has access to quality basic education. Meanwhile, the Philippine Red Cross is a humanitarian organization that is independent from the government. It provides medical services, disaster relief, and blood donation drives. DepEd's main role is to create policies and programs that improves the quality of education. It trains teachers, builds schools, and develops the curriculum to prepare students for the future. On the other hand, the Philippine Red Cross functions by offering immediate help during emergencies such as typhoon, earthquake, and health crisis. It also promotes volunteerism and helps communities recover from disaster. For example, DepEd played a very important role during the pandemic by shifting to modular and online learning, making sure that students continue their education despite the challenges. At the same time, the Philippine Red Cross actively conducted COVID-19 testing, vaccination drives, and relief operations for affected families. Both institutions showed their commitment to serving the people. In my opinion, both state and non-state institutions are important in nation building. The state, through DepEd, provides structure, laws, and access to education, which is the foundation of a progressive country. Meanwhile, non-state institutions like Red Cross complement government efforts by reaching communities quickly and addressing humanitarian needs. Together, they work hand in hand to improve lives of Filipinos and strengthen our nation. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening, and we all appreciate the role of both state and non-state institutions in building our country's future.